Hello, in front of me I have Garmin Epix Gen 2 and I'm gonna show you how to set up a watch face with the custom image on this device. Before we start, your watch needs to be paired with your phone via the Garmin Connect application. Once the devices are paired, you need to download and install the Connect IQ store on your phone. To do it, open the App Store on your phone, tap on the search bar, type in Garmin IQ and then tap search. You should see this application, Connect IQ Store. Select it, tap on the install button to install it and wait until the app is done installing. Once the app is done installing, you can tap on Open to open it. In the app, tap on Welcome. You can use your own account that you used to pair the devices via the Garmin Connect app. This is the account I'm using in the Garmin Connect. Or you can tap on Switch accounts and use the different account. But I'm just gonna tap on Continue, check the boxes and tap Next. And here we have the IQ Store, as you can see. Now, to install set up the watch face with the custom image, tap on the Face It icon right here. Here tap on the plus button. And now we can either select camera or gallery. If you select the camera rather, it will redirect you to the camera app. You can take a picture with the camera and use it as a watch face. If you select the gallery, basically you will open the gallery app and you can select the photo from your phone. I'm gonna use the second option, so gallery, allow the permission. And here we have the file manager. As you can see, we are in the download folder. We can select the picture right here, or you can browse through different folders if you want to, basically by browsing through the file manager. Find the photo you want to use, tap on it, select it, and here we have the basically option to customize the watch face. We can zoom in and zoom out the picture, basically make it like that by pinching and unpinching the fingers. We can move it around. Basically, we're cropping the image. So whatever is gonna be on this highlighted area right here is gonna be on the watch face. So let's crop it maybe like this. Now we can select the type of the clock right here at the bottom, as you can see. Then we can tap on this icon to change the color of the clock, as you can see. And then we can tap right here to change the type of hands or type of clock, as you can see. And once you're done customizing your watch face, you can tap on Done button right here, name it, and then tap Save. And here we have the preview, how it will look. Then tap on Install button. Tap on OK and wait. And once it's done installing, the watch face will appear on your watch, as you can see. And that's how you set up a watch face with the custom image on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.